Okay, first I'll play the recording twice before showing you the answers.
Comment ça se passe d'habitude la formation d'une danseuse classique? Par exemple, est-ce qu'on est obligé de passer par l'Opéra de Paris ou est-ce qu'il y a des formations spécifiques?
All right, we'll play it again.
Comment ça se passe d'habitude la formation d'une danseuse classique? Par exemple, est-ce qu'on est obligé de passer par l'Opéra de Paris ou est-ce qu'il y a des formations spécifiques?
Okay, now if you don't want to see the answers yet, you want to listen a few more times to see if you can hear the words, stop and go back to the beginning of the video. For all of you who want the answers, here are the answers. And we'll play the sound again twice to let you hear if you can hear this better now.
Comment ça se passe d'habitude la formation d'une danseuse classique? Par exemple, est-ce qu'on est obligé de passer par l'Opéra de Paris ou est-ce qu'il y a des formations spécifiques? Comment ça se passe d'habitude la formation d'une danseuse classique? Par exemple, est-ce qu'on est obligé de passer par l'Opéra de Paris ou est-ce qu'il y a des formations spécifiques?
Okay, so I think to help you with the things that I think you probably had difficulty with, the comment ça se passe. Do you hear the ça se passe? Let's listen to that.
Comment ça se passe
Yeah, so there's the ça se passe. You got the, let's see, sometimes it can help us to listen to just the very end of a sound.
Comment ça
That's a comment ça, comment ça.
Comment ça
Okay. And right up until the P of passe, we get this. Comment ça se,
Comment ça se
comment ça se,
Comment ça se
comment ça se.
Comment ça se
All right. So you hear that the E in se, the SE, that E there is not being pronounced very clearly. Comment ça se.
Comment ça se
All right. And then if we have comment ça se passe, probably goes to about.
Comment ça se passe
Yeah.
Comment ça se passe
Hopefully you can hear that better now. D'habitude, you heard probably. And la formation, where is that one?
d'habitude la formation d'une danseuse
Okay. Format, that's probably the F of formation.
formation
Ouais.
formation
Now you hear formation. The reason I wanted to give you this as a sample is because formation is a very common word in spoken French. People are always talking about their training or their education or the fact that they're looking for a job but don't have the right education, or they're talking about their children's education, that they're being maybe trained to be a plumber or an engineer or whatever you have. It's formation. So we talk a lot about formation in everyday French. And at the very end, you had formation spécifique. Where is that?
des formations spécifiques
Right.
des formations spécifiques
Okay. The other thing that you may have a problem with, most English speakers have a problem hearing on. And so I'd like to help you hear it. Let's see if we can find this. Est-ce qu'on est obligé?
Par exemple, est-ce qu'on est obligé de passer par l'Opéra de Paris?
It's close in here somewhere.
Par exemple, est-ce qu'on est obligé de passer
Yeah. So this is the, and then in just a second, I'll give you a technique for doing this when you don't have me doing this fancy software to help you. How do you, when you're alone, figure out these words and get to where you can hear them? I'll help you with that in just a second, but let's go in here and see.
Par exemple, est-ce qu'on est Par exemple, est-ce qu'on est obligé de passer Par exemple, est-ce qu'on est
Wait a second. Let's just go to the website. It'll be easier this way. I'll show you how to do it on your own. Let me get there. Yeah, here we go. All right. So if you're on the website, if you're on the Fluent Listener website, what you want to do is use this button over here. This button is designed to help give you a 2-second interval of silence right after the word that you're listening for. So what you would do is you start the
Comment ça se passe d'habitude la formation d'une danseuse classique? Par exemple, est-ce qu'on est obligé de passer par l'Opéra de Paris ou est-ce qu'il y a des formations spécifiques?
you use these little
Comment
sliders.
ça se passe d'habitude la formation d'une danseuse classique? Par exemple, est-ce qu'on est obligé de passer par l'Opéra Par exemple, est-ce qu'on est obligé de passer Par exemple, est-ce qu'on est obligé de Par exemple, est-ce qu'on est obligé de Par exemple, est-ce qu'on est obligé de passer par l'Opéra
So you see what I'm doing is I'm using the slider to stop the sound at a certain point. Right now, I think we have, we're right at the O of obligé, aren't
Par
we?
exemple, ce qu'on est obligé,
Obligé.
par exemple, ce qu'on est obligé de passer,
So you hear oblige, oblige. If I want to hear and I want my brain to be able to analyze the on right here, I need to bring this slider a little bit this way and then push the play button again.
exemple, ce qu'on est classique, par exemple, classique, par exemple, ce qu'on est classique, par exemple, classique, par exemple, ce qu'on classique, par exemple, ce qu'on classique, par exemple, ce qu'on est obligé de passer.
So you hear, par exemple, est-ce qu'on est, est-ce qu'on, est-ce qu'on. So by playing the sound again and again and using the slider over, and you click this tool to get access to the slider. By using the slider, you can put a little 2-second silence right after the word that you're listening for, and that helps your brain analyze it. This is a technique that people use when they are transcribing music. People who have to transcribe music and don't, they need a way to let their brain analyze sounds to say, what were those last few notes I heard? And what they do is they use silence to do that. So that's what this tool helps you do. It helps you get to where you can hear all of the words in the sound. And that is how you'll get better, little by little, at hearing spoken French. You need to not just, the mistake you could make is you have a long recording like this and you hear most of the words and you become satisfied with that. What you need to do is
Ça se passe d'habitude la formation.
what you need to do is you need to listen to a recording over and over until you hear every word, and then you need to once you can hear every single word, then you need to take that recording and walk around with it, put it in your telephone, and then listen to it while you're on your daily walk or maybe while you're in the car, so that your brain gets used to hearing those words again so that they make sense. And then you'll be able to hear them more easily in a normal conversation. That's it. Hope you enjoyed that, and let me know if you have any other questions. Perhaps there are other words in here that you didn't catch. I like the way she says Paris. Do you notice that? She says Paris. She's thinking about her wording.
Paris, ou est-ce qu'il y a des
That's pretty cool. Paris.
passer par l'opéra, passer par l'opéra de Paris, passer par l'opéra de Paris, ou passer par l'opéra de Paris, ou passer par l'opéra de Paris, ou est-ce qu'il y a des passer par l'opéra
So hopefully you heard that ooh after Paris ou.
de Paris, ou est-ce passer par l'opéra de Paris, ou est-ce qu'il y a des passer par l'opéra.
All right, that's it. Have a good day.